We Crack You provide free mock test for SSC CPO exam. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You SSC CPO free mock test. Click on the first link and start the mock. After completing the mock, you get the complete detailed analysis with the solution and percentile for the mock. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Crack You RRB SSC banking exam. In today's video, we are going to discuss a very important topic that have been in the recent news, that is Ayodhya, Ram Janmabhoomi Pujan of 5th August. So let's see, we will be discussing here the timeline of the Ayodhya verdict. What was the first thing, what happened then, what led to the 9th November 2019 verdict. So before that, let's see what is the context. So Ram Janmabhoomi Pujan on 5th August 2020 at 12 o'clock 44 minutes past 8 seconds PM by PM Narendra Modi. This is happening now. Before that, there was a 5-judge Supreme Court bench led by Chief Justice Ranjan Gogoi read out the judgment and ruled in favor of Ram Janmabhoomi and said there will be a Ram Mandir at the disputed site and Muslims will be given an alternate 5-acre land for their mosque, and that land will be within the premises of Ayodhya. So this was the context. And what was the dispute for? Like, why is this Babri Masjid dispute or Ayodhya dispute? What is this dispute for? So according to the dispute, it is believed among section of Hindus that the Babri Masjid, named after Mughal Emperor Babur, was built in Ayodhya after destroying the Ram temple that marked the birthplace of Lord Ram. So the Hindu parties wanted the land to themselves, contending that Lord Ram was born at the spot on which later the central dome of the mosque was built. So this was the side of Hindus. Now let's see what were the Muslims saying. However, the Muslim parties contended that the mosque was constructed in 1528 by Mir Baqi, a commander of Babur's army, without demolishing any place of worship. So this was the two topics for the dispute. One from the side of Hindus, that the Ram Mandir was destroyed, and other from the Muslim, that no temples were destroyed. So let's see what happened. Now we will be looking into the chronological sequence of Ayodhya dispute. So according to this, 1528 was the year when the first Mughal emperor Babur is believed to have constructed Babri Masjid. It is a 3-domed mosque built by Mir Baqi, commander of Mughal emperor Babur, in the year 1528. Now in 1885, Mahant Raghubir Das moved Faizabad court seeking permission to construct a temple in the area of Babri Masjid, but the plea was declined. And after that, it was in the year 1949, the idol of Lord Ram were mysteriously found inside the mosque. Here, the Muslim claimed that it was the work of Hindus, while the Hindus wanted to worship the idol, and this was the reason the violence broke out and the administration locked the premises with the idol inside. So after this, in 1915, Gopal Vishrad and Ramchandra Das moved to Faizabad court for permission to worship the idol. And even in 1959, Nirmohi Akhada filed plea seeking possession of the disputed land. So now here comes the third party. So we now have Hindu, Muslims and Nirmohi Akhada. Let's see what happens next. In 1961, Central Sunni Waqf Board of UP, that is Uttar Pradesh, moved court for declaration of title of the disputed land and removal of the idol inside the mosque. And after that, in 1986, Faizabad court allowed Hindus to only worship the idol but not perform any other rituals. And in 1989, Allahabad High Court took over the main dispute, that is the Ayodhya dispute which was going on, and ordered status quo, that is existing states of affairs. After this, in 1989, the Rajiv Gandhi government allowed Biswa Hindu Parishad to perform puja near the disputed site. And after this came the main Babri Masjid demolition, that is in the year 1992. Kar Sevaks on 6th December demolished Babri Masjid and Justice Liberan Commission was appointed to probe. After a year of this, that is in 1993, P.V. Narasimha Rao government acquired 67 acre of land adjoining the disputed site, but Supreme Court upholded the acquisition in its Dr. Ismail Farooqi judgment. After that, in 2002, Allahabad High Court commenced hearing the case. And that case in 2010, High Court delivered the majority judgment in three-way partition, and the three-way partition was among Hindu, Muslim and Nirmohi Akhada. But in 2011, SC stayed the High Court's judgment, that is the Supreme Court of India stayed the Allahabad High Court's judgment on cross appeals filed by the party. In 2019, a constitution bench of 5 judges led by Chief Justice of India Ranjan Gogoi resumed the hearing but suggested mediation first. In 2019, mediation committee led by former Supreme Court Judge Justice Khalifullah failed to draw a general agreement, so the hearing was now done. In the year 2019, the Chief Justice of India Ranjan Gogoi said, law must stand apart over political consideration and religious belief. That is, law comes first. And in the same year, that is 2019, on 9th November, the Supreme Court gave its final decision over the Ayodhya dispute, and the decision was, the Supreme Court ordered the land to be handed over to a trust to build the Ram temple and ordered the government to give 5 acres of land inside Ayodhya city limits to the Sunni Waqf board for the possession of building a mosque, that is a trust to be built for Ram Mandir in the Ayodhya, and an extra 5 acres of land given to Muslim, that is Sunni Waqf board, for the purpose of mosque within the Ayodhya city. After that, in 2020, on 5th February, the Government of India made the announcement for the trust named as Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra, and 2020, that is this time, this present day, Ram Janmabhoomi Pujan on 5th August 2020 at 12 o'clock 44 minutes 8 seconds PM by PM Narendra Modi was done. So with this, Jai Shri Ram, hope you liked it, and if you did, please like, share and comment. And we also provide all the previous year paper of SSC exams like SSC, CGL, CPO, Steno and etc. with detailed solution, and the link is given in the description box below. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.